Well, welcome back to the channel. We're in Ohio. It's 14 degrees outside.
17. My car says 17.
Car says 17. Snapchat told me 14.
I got a toasty for you.
I'm going with 14. But we're here early so we can acclimate, drill some balls, get ready for the 2025 tour season. And mostly to hang out with this guy. You say hi?
Hi.
Yeah, you got it.
Small one. That's all I'm giving you.
Oh, there it goes.
Make a big one.
Sorry for the scoffed audio, but we're in the shop now. Mikey's got an apprentice in the shop doing all the grunt work. Good old days. All right, I got some balls to drill. Got Ion Pro here. Mikey's gonna, I don't know if he's really gonna do any work today, but
I gotta drill this ball. I gotta drill this Hustle M&M.
Mikey's drilling a ball.
That's a,
I've got a bunch to drill.
it's a shop favorite around here. Hustle M&M.
Hustle M&M. Oh, that one hooks. That's a big hook and hustle. But we're gonna do an Ion Pro here. There's an XL. I got a couple balls in the car too. I think a Phase 2, a Road Warrior. I don't know what else we're gonna do today, but we're gonna do some things.
I don't know which one I'd go with. What would you guys go with?
Yeah, I didn't vlog a whole lot my first day here. I took a red eye, so I was kind of battling to stay awake, and I succeeded. I slept through the night. But hey, yesterday we were at the holiday location for DB Bowling Supplies. Today we're going to head over to the HP location. I'm going to drill some more balls over there, gonna get some practice in, and yeah, going through the process.
In you go. I mean, I can't. Might as well. Get in!
Which shop is better?
It depends what you like. If you like hustle and bustle, if you like high octane action, you want to go to Holiday. If you want to be a little more chill, this shop's a little cleaner because it's newer, a little less action. Because Jalen doesn't sell anything.
Yeah.
A little more room here too.
Yeah, if you just want to hang out, this is a little bit better place to hang out. We don't recommend you coming to hang out.
Yeah, come buy stuff.
Yeah.
All right. So this is what we drilled yesterday. Ion Pro 3x5x1 XL 5.5 by 5x3. And a Summit Ascent. Drill it the same as the one ball regional 4.5 by 4.5 by 4. Another Road Warrior. We went a little bit longer with the pin, shorter with the buffer. 5.25 by 4 by 1.75. Got a Phase 2 up in there. 5.5 by 4.5 by 2.5, I think. Yeah. And then, yeah, I've been throwing that guy. Pretty good ball.
And we got one of these on tap for today. Nice.
All right, I got my new bowling balls I drove. Yeah, we got Road Warrior, Course Reality, because my Ion Max didn't come in, so we did that instead, doing Mikey a favor. Figured you could sell Ion Max a little easier. Summit Ascent, XL, Ion Pro, Phase 2, and a Jam. Gotta have that nice big ball. And we fortunately have the beefy cheetah pattern out there. We're practicing on that right now. Half the balls that I drilled were more so for the US Open. I'm gonna try to strike one time with each of them. I like that one. I did make the mistake of not checking the depth of the collar, so they were a little deeper. I also didn't drill the vacuum hole deep enough, so my grips feel kind of small at the top. Ball's gas, so bad. I don't think that ball's bad. All right, it's day 3 here in Ohio. I've been doing a terrible job vlogging. I keep forgetting, but we're 7 balls deep so far. I think you guys saw the ones going down the lane. We drilled some strong ones, we drilled some medium ones, some weak ones. Got some Ohio sushi for lunch. I just made a Target run. I bought a pillow, I bought a blanket, and needed some other stuff. But those are the main things I had to get because I want to try to be a little more consistent with my sleep. So yeah, we got, I think, a few more balls to do. We got to fix some of the balls that I drilled on the first day because the collar on the thumb bit was a little deep. So my thumbs go into the ball further than I would like, and it makes my spans feel shorter. You would think it would feel longer, but I think because of the ridge of the thumb where it usually catches right here, I'm not feeling that as much, so it feels shorter. So we got to fix that. I'm gonna try this Ohio sushi, and we're gonna go about our day. We got 3 more balls to drill, I think. Yeah. All right, well, the sushi wasn't bad. I would have it again. So we got to drill out all the its on the inside. I already pulled the sleeves, but we got to drill the its out, plug the bottoms, and then we adjust the collar with tape so that the depth will match. But yeah, just kind of an unforeseen thing, kind of a pain, but do what we gotta do. Well, haven't had an actual outro for any of the days, so we wrapped up at the shop. 8 balls drilled, 5 being fixed. Yeah, we're gonna go pick up some food. The quality of this video looks terrible, but whatever. See you tomorrow for day 4. All right, well, day 4 here in Ohio. We are getting some practice in. Chris picked me up. We're gonna ship out tomorrow to Delaware. We got an unofficial practice. And yeah, we got a ball of pattern. Thick amount of oil in a short amount of distance. Nice. Alright, well, this guy might be a problem. So this XL has a regular plug in it. It didn't quite set. I mean, it's been 24 hours, so. But Chris had some extra, and I was trying to be very careful with the plug because I wasted a lot of quick plug. I mixed it for too long and probably a little too fast, and I got 2 balls worth, so there's that. So Chris had some extra regular plug from plugging some other balls on the table, and poured the rest into the XL, and it's not quite ready, but we drilled into it anyway, so hopefully it's not a problem. But it could be. We'll see. Well, that's gonna do it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching, and if you did, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We leave for the tour tomorrow. A 7.5-hour drive to Delaware. Wish us luck. We're gonna need it, and let's get off to a hot start on this 2025 PBA Tour season. See you guys next time.